Hello guys, it's your boy Willie, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do a custom build PC, and I might show you how to put everything together. So here we got a ATX inverter case from Corsair, which is recently new, and I know it's really big, but it has a lot of good reviews and I really liked it, so I decided to go with it. And right here we got a Sabertooth motherboard from Asus. It also has a lot of good reviews, and I always like Asus for my motherboards. I always used to have one when I did my old custom build. It was really nice. And right here we got my processor. It's an i7 3.5 gigahertz 6 cores. It's Haswell. It's a really good processor from what I heard or saw reviews from websites and stuff, so I decided to go with it. And my compound is Arctic silver, nothing new. And right here we got a another more Corsair components. My liquid cooler here is an H100i GTX, which it has really good reviews also. And my power supply of 1000 watts from Corsair, and my DDR4 RAM, which is equals to 16 gigs. It's 8 gigs each. I wouldn't need more than that for what I'm trying to do. And for my GPU, I used an old graphics card my friend had. He let me borrow it for the moment. So I'm installing the rest of the cooler into the case. Here's the little screws I will be using for the back of it, and it goes into the case like this. And as you can see, to save time, I had put 4 on the top already, and there goes 4 on the bottom. And then for the next step, at the front it has this long screws they will be putting on. It has 4 on each fan. There's another fan that will go here, but for video length purpose, I will only be showing you how to put 1 screw on, and then you can figure out the rest. I just finished putting on my motherboard, and as you can see, the cooler is set up. Yeah, this case has a lot of fans. It's perfect for cooling. I don't think it'll ever overheat. And here the motherboard has 6 different screws, or 8, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different screws. And unfortunately the motherboard itself didn't bring any screws, but I had some spare in a little bottle, so I used those, and now I'm good to go. And here I installed the back plate too. So now I will be installing the CPU, and I'll show you how. You open up this bracket, then this one, you lift this one up, you place the CPU right in the middle. Alright, make sure it's center. Then you put back the plate. Then you close this one first. Then this one last, and it should be just fine. Next, I'll be putting on the cooler, and it's right here. Kind of messed up when I opened up the box. I touched the thermal paste it brought, so I had to put my own. But now I have to take a pause. So now I will be placing the cooler into the CPU and tying it down. You gotta be careful with this motion. as you gotta hold it down and tighten it screws. I prefer tying them across from each other. So now I finished putting all the cables together. As you can see, I have everything a little organized. And now I'll be putting in the memory and then my graphics card. And then tomorrow I'll be receiving my hard drive, my solid state drive that I ordered. So I should be good to go. If you guys want to see more videos, just comment and let me know what you guys want to see. And if you guys want to make me do tutorials for you guys, I'll gladly make some. Just comment down below and like and subscribe. And this is Willie G. You already know. Peace out.